Assalamualaikum. Today, our group will present about Internet of Things in Industry 4.0. So, this is our group member and myself, Nur Hisham Afani bin Mazli, and my other friends is Nurhuda binti Sarman, Quratul Aina binti Zulkarnain, Muhammad Arif Haikal bin Azmi, and Pavindran Chetiar. So this is our table of content that will be presented by our group members. So firstly, I will explain about how is Industry 4.0 technology impacting the manufacturing industry. So firstly, the Internet of Things offers manufacturers a new level of visibility and control. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the manufacturing industry by optimizing production process and improving workplace safety. And it is increased revenue and profitability. It's like Industry 4.0 not only creates a more efficient and higher quality production process, but it also enables things like predictive and preventive maintenance. So for this slide, I will present about what is Internet of Things used by industry. As we can see for this slide, that have 8 element of things that uses by industry. So firstly is a home and industrial, automotive, agriculture, military, medical, environmental, and retail. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Quratul Aina binti Zulkarnain, nombor matric card B09201046, and I will present about the requirements in the implementation of IoT. So for the first is a high-level security. Security is one of the fundamental IoT implementation requirements. Since the IoT device gather real-time sensitive data about the environment, is it critical to put in place high-level security measures that ensure that sensitivity information stays protected and confidential. For the second is an asset management. Asset management includes the software, hardware, and the processes that ensure that the devices are registered, upgraded, secured, and well managed. For the third is a cloud computing. Since the massive amounts of structured and unstructured data are gathered and processed, is it stored in the cloud? The cloud acts as the centralized repository and resources that allows the data to be accessed easily. Cloud computing ensures the seamless communication between various IoT devices. For the last is a data analytics. Data analytics with advanced algorithm, large processes and analyze from the cloud, and you can derive trends based on any action can be taken. So that's all from me. I will pass to another presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhuda binti Sarman and I'm going to talk about IoT implementation steps. There are 5 steps in IoT implementation. First step is identify IoT objective and IoT use cases suitable. IoT implementation start with the identification of project objective. It will be best if we can determine what our organization wants to achieve through IoT technology. Each organization has different needs. Some may aim to decrease operation costs, while others target customer experience. Step 2 is select necessary IoT components suitable for the use case. IoT implementation involve various tools and components such as sensor is to collect the data. Next is edge gateway to serve as network entry point to device. Next is communication protocol, IoT platform and cloud data management and analytic software. Step 3 is implementation and prototyping. IoT requires a team that contains a mix of experts across IT and operation to work together, such as industrial and embedded system design, electrical and mechanical knowledge, back-end and front-end development, and general technical expert. Step 4 is integrate IoT system with other advanced technology. After the sensor gather useful data, we can add layers of other technologies such as analytic and edge computing and machine learning. The amount of unstructured data collected by the sensor far exceeds structured data. However, both structured and unstructured can be used for improvement. Step 5 is apply necessary security measurement. Security is one of the top concerns, with IoT depending predominantly on the internet for functioning. It is prone to security attacks. However, communication protocol, endpoint security, and encryption and access control management can minimize the security breaches. Although there are no standardized IoT implementation steps, most projects follow this process. Basically, IoT implementation depends on our project specification needs. That's all for me, and I'm gonna pass to another presenter.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Faikal bin Azmi from Class B MMP. Number matric is B0922102444. 4-type challenge in IoT implementation is number 1, security challenge. These sensors have to be developed to support specific requirement and reliable real-time operation. Number 2, privacy challenge. Further security failure could happen due to insufficient security measure of IoT device and gadget. Competitor within the industry trying to secure their position in the market. Number 3 is connectivity challenge. Implementation of multiple technology platform is challenging for developers since information has to be shared between device and application. And the last one is compatibility challenge. Compatibility of device is an important and challenging topic while dealing with wide range of device, application, transmission technologies, and gateway. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Pavindran Chettiar, son of Kadrivel Chettiar from Class B MMP, and my metric number will be B0920103992. So for today, I would like to explain about how much does IoT devices cost. So to create a smart device for the consumer segment or enhance corporate IT infrastructure with IoT capabilities, it is very important for the authorities to clarify how much IoT solutions cost. Meanwhile, the Internet of Things, IoT term, refers to cyber physical system where electronic and non-electronic objects collect environmental data using sensors and exchange it over a network. The price of building a custom device depends on the device type, functionality, and complexity of your IoT solution and may amount up to 70 to 80% of the total Internet Things project cost. Next, I would like to explain about costing factors. The first factor would be analysis. During this phase, a team of hardware experts collaborates with software system engineers, business analysts, and company stakeholders to elicit technical requirements for a custom device, polish the concept, and optimize the development budget. The second factor will be design. Based on the requirements defined in the analysis phase, engineers and industrial designers create printed circuit board (PCB) layout schemes and visualize the gadget's enclosure in 3D CAD. Hardware design should also meet all the software requirements gathered in the previous step. Okay, finally, I would like to explain about Industry 5.0. Industry 5.0 provides a vision of industry that aims beyond efficiency and productivity as the sole goals and reinforces the role and contribution of industry towards society. It places the well-being of worker at the center of the production process and uses new technologies to provide prosperity beyond jobs and growth while respecting the production limit of the planet. Thank you.